Morning everyone, it's day 2. Oh, happy birthday Maddie! That's a bit rude of me, I forgot it was Maddie's birthday. Happy birthday Maddie! Dream big, eh? God damn. Not gonna lie though, our setup's pretty damn sweet now. Old Sonny's getting a little bit left out this weekend. Looking really good though. We're on track for one run only again today at 12:35. It's like 7 AM now. So yeah, we wait around until then, I guess, don't we? Chop.
Whatever.
We wait till 12:30. Okay, so our demo at 2 PM got cancelled. No, sorry, 12:30 it got cancelled, then it got moved to 2 PM. Now it's been moved to 3:30, so we're just gonna go for a roll around and show you guys what's at this event. These are the Super 2 guys. Here's Will Brown. I actually did a Cam's Academy with this legend. He's a good egg. Got caught up.
Come that way.
Bree got mad and ran off. She's not happy, look at her. There's all the big rigs. God damn it. It's my dream to have one of those big trucks. Oh, we're just in time. Look. Are these like the Wiggles on steroids? Wow. Oh, she's hooked. She's hooked. You gonna get one? Do you want me to get you one? Bree is a big Scotty fan. Well, Scotty McLaughlin. It'd be awesome if we could meet him one day. I'm a Fabian fan. He's alright. Got a good sense of humour. This is how you sell merchandise. Jesus. That's a B double. Purely for merchandise? What the hell? That is ridiculous. Honestly, I had no idea about that. They got B doubles just to sell merchandise. That's insane. Oh, real goggles. They're 100% legit. Oh no. How you going? Hanging for a coffee. Jesus. This is insane. We're gonna go try and find the Newry High School kids, and they got their V8 Commodore here, so they wanted me to come over there and sign it, so I'm gonna try and find them now. Bree's looking for some fake goggles. How's these merchandise setups? A long way to go. I think I found some new goggles. Actually, these ones are better. Look at this. How's the padding in them? Oh. That is awesome. That's something new. Ow. 5-0 are on forklifts now, eh? It's still only Friday too, so it's not a busy day. But we're gonna go find the Nuri lads. Oh, they went away. Oh, another one binder. They got this new category called the Super Utes. And I don't know how well they're going, but it's like another one just died. I think there's only 7 in the class anyway. So now we're on the other side of the track. There's actually not much over here. But we're gonna... We'll find out. We'll find out anyway. What? Oh yeah, Yokohama's over here apparently. I don't even know about that. Oh, there they are. Wow. Here they are. Hey lads. How are we all? There's Mr. Barkley.
How you going, buddy? Good to see you.
How you going?
Yeah.
You got the car here?
Got the car here. We need your signature on it.
Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
Brilliant, brilliant.
That's what I'm here for.
Got the big texter somewhere here.
Yeah, right, let's do it.
Give it a clear
How big are we going?
Go as big as you want, man.
And what, are we doing like a...
Whatever you want.
Right, and then finish it off with...
Underneath the line?
Yeah.
Nice, good stuff, man.
It's on the piss, so then someone can go there.
That's awesome. Thank you very much.
That's too easy,
Yeah,
mate.
brilliant. Appreciate you coming over.
Why do you blow them up? Alright, I didn't realise the time. Our demo's on at 3:30. We're going to be lined up at 15:15 and it's getting very close, so I'm going to race back there and get ready. It's going to be awesome, isn't it? Alright, we'll cut straight from here into the car. We're live, by the way. Hey, Chris. Just want to say hello.
Hey guys.
This live stream is brought to you by Weber Insurance Services. That's the boys here. Had no tyres left, eh?
Nah, they were 10.
They were gone before I got to the last bit.
Oh, yeah.
So, how'd you guys like that one? Okay. What are your thoughts, mate?
Petrified, but ridiculous. Scariest thing I've ever done, but best driver ever. Felt safe the whole time, except when I was shitting myself.
Nah, no worries, bro.
Oh, man. That was, I didn't know what to expect, but that was